How to earn money online without investment? Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about earn money online without investment. Do you want to make more money? If so, you are in luck. There are a few methods to earn money online except investing in mobile. This video will talk about some of the excellent strategies for doing so. So whether you have a few minutes or a few hours every day, there's something for everyone. Keep studying to study more. There are various ways to earn money online besides investing a single rupee. This way, you don't have to fear economic penalties for risking your money. Here are some of the best ways to earn online money without investment. Become an insurance POSP. One of the top methods to earn money online with zero investment, no time constraints, and working from home is to grow into a POSP, point of salesperson. A POSP is an insurance plan agent who works with an insurance plan business enterprise to promote particular insurance plan products online. As a POSP agent, you can assist clients in selecting the right insurance coverage for them as per their personal needs. Are there any requirements? The only necessities to grow to be an insurance plan agent are you should be over 18 years of age and must have carried out Class 10. Following this, you must complete the 15-hour obligatory coaching presented through the IRDAI to get a general/life insurance license. How a good deal can you earn? There is lots of scope in promoting of kind sorts of policies, and your profits would rely on the range of insurance policies you sell. The more extraordinary insurance policies you sell, the quicker you can earn an excessive income. So all and sundry with an aptitude for promoting can end up a POSP agent, as long as you have a smartphone and an appropriate net connection. You can discover more about the steps, requirements, and policies for becoming a POSP agent here. Through freelancing. Freelance work is one of the most famous methods to make money online, and you do now not want any funding to begin this work. You only want to discover key portals and register yourself as a freelancer. Then you want to market your capabilities to practicable customers by sharing pattern work. Are there any requirements? If you're appropriate at writing, programming, editing, designing, or many different skills, you can make cash online by becoming a freelancer. Many corporations are increasingly handing out smaller tasks to freelancers these days. How tons can you earn? Based on the sort of work you offer, you can effortlessly locate high-paying gigs as a freelancer. Some of the top freelancing websites consist of that provide good work. Freelance, 99 Designs, Upwork, Truelancer, Fiverr, test apps and websites before they go live. Another easy way to make money online, except for any investment, is by trying out apps and websites. Since groups and app builders don't choose their customers to get stressed with the aid of their apps and sites, they rent customers to do what is known as beta testing. Essentially, they look at their websites or apps and record their consumer experience or discover any bugs and problems before they go to the public. Are there any requirements? To do this, you don't want any specific knowledge, so this is desirable for those looking to work from home or part-time. How tons can you earn? Depending on how lengthy and complicated the beta checking out manner is and your trip with beta testing, you can earn around Rs 1,000 to Rs 3,000. Some websites that provide apps and websites trying out jobs are beta testing. User testing. Things to keep in mind before you look for jobs online. However, it can be tough to discover easy but reliable methods to earn money online, as the internet is full of fox agencies, scams, and frauds. Be careful of websites asking you for a registration charge earlier than supplying work or asking for your private information. Look out for websites that take benefit from your work abilities but won't pay you ample compensation. An excellent way to avoid such fraudulent websites and groups is to look up any website thoroughly and examine the opinions and remarks humans have left about it. Always consider examining the contract that they provide you earlier than signing. With the aid of using your time better and turning it into greater productivity, you can make a little bit more cash simply sitting at home and with, indeed, no investment. These methods to earn money from home online are time-friendly, and so they are proper choices for students, homemakers, retirees, and more. Even if you have already bought a job, these are unique approaches to doing something more significant on the side. So why not take advantage of these opportunities to earn more significant money? Hope you guys like this video. Let us know in the comment below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. See you in the next video.